I am sitting in a 2003 Honda Civic. We're going to program one key. Takes the green adapter on our standard cable. Let's get started. Honda Civic key coding. It's an 03. Okay. Let's see how many keys are stored in here. Should only be one if I recall. Okay, one key. Alright. You can see our security lights blinking. We're going to program this key in. The other key was lost. Okay, off. On. Off. When the security light starts blinking fast, we turn it off. You know you're in. Turn it on. There's the security light, and it's going to go out in just a second. There it is. Turn the ignition off. On. Security light is out. Nothing there. Turn it off. On. Security lights out. Procedure complete. That's a 03 Honda Civic using the green dongle on Mobilizer 9.